Hello sisters, recently brushed this clinging makeup theme. It feels perfect for summer. It's actually a streamlined makeup. But let's be honest, if you want this makeup, take a picture and it looks good. There must be one step. Am I dry skin? Like summer, I usually add a spray and a cream. But what about the cream? I'll rub it open in the palm of my hand like this. Then press up. Just control the dosage and don't use too much. My dark circles under my eyes have been a little serious recently because I've been addicted to board games recently. I don't know if you guys have played with this rendering. L Tower is really constantly being customer service every day. But it was fun. As for the base makeup, I will choose this clearer one. Use a brush with loose powder. That is to say, don't order too thick. It feels like a stretched skin. Preserve a little bit of this natural sheen. I should have sprayed the setting spray first. Forgot again. What about the eyebrows? I'll use an eyebrow pencil first. It is actually light eye makeup and lip makeup blush. So in fact, the eyebrows want to be drawn a little wild. A little hairy flu. Does the whole makeup always have to be focused? The approximate eyebrow shape is still the same after painting. Smudge this edge of the eyebrow open. It looks more natural. It will feel fluffy. Use one of these simplest grey-brown eyeshadow discs. First, take the beige whole eyelid inside and base it. Slightly deepen it against the root of the eyelashes. By the way, wear this nose trim. Use this dark brown directly. Just follow the eye shape and drag it back a little bit. Fish meal with the second half of the lower eyeliner. Age your saliva must be painted. Brighten the age your saliva with one of these white eyeshadows. Although it is light makeup in the middle, but the structure of the eye is still indispensable. I'm going to post this today. This is what I used recently, the one that most resembles its own native eyelashes. Especially suitable for me, which has no hair itself. This is what I brushed out of my own mascara. The effect is really pitiful. I'm 9-10-10, and I'm sticking it around like this. Clip it after pasting. Then, just wear it with a mascara. Then use a forceps to remove the adjacent eyelashes. But it doesn't need to be curled as regular as a girl's group eyelashes. Like this. The slender feeling of mother's raw eyelashes is brushed out. Now, replace it with one of these beige ones first. This piece can be brightened to it with the eye just now. Connect a small C to a large C transition. I feel like this light makeup if the expansion color is brighter, it will be better than using beige. It has a more bloody feeling. You can see it's a little pink, right? Use a light pink that is not as bloated. Extend a little bit out in the face. And some nose and chin. Apply a jumpsuit with a small flower branch to see. I remember it's still very boiled water. Give him some time to become a demon. Got a single. SOY. Should we run with you?